It's time to craft. Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today or tonight I am participating in the Calendar Girls collaboration with host Tiffany over at Simply Blessed Craft, Jetta with Craft Along with Jay, and my sweet friend May, who is guest hosting this collaboration over at Craft Away with May. So we are to take a calendar and create beautiful fall decor. There is no limit to the number of DIYs that you can create. However, in my video, I am only uploading one to the channel as your girl is a little bit under the weather. I will not be doing a voiceover. My throat is a little sore, but nevertheless, I want you to enjoy the video, but make sure you guys are supporting these beautiful ladies. Again, that's Tiffany with Simply Blessed Craft, Jetta with Craft Along with Jay, and May with Craft Away with May. Let's go.
You're sugary sweet, like a dream come true. In the dressing room, it's just me and you. Drunk on your love, like wine divine. Now I'm forever, you're permanently mine. Honey, honey, every single day I wanna follow your sweet honey trail. Taste so divine in every single way. Oh honey, honey, yeah honey. You're sweet like honey, my heart's delight. Soft as candy pears glowing in the night. Whisper close, let your love be clear. Every word you say, I wanna hear. Honey, honey, every single day I wanna follow your sweet honey trail. Taste so divine in every single way. Oh honey, honey, yeah honey. Let the thunder roll, let the rain pour down. I'll be your shelter, you'll wear the crown. With you, my love, the music won't fade. We'll dance together in the storms we've made. Honey, honey, every single day I wanna follow your sweet honey trail. Taste so divine in every single way. Oh honey, honey, yeah honey. Sweet like honey, you're all I need. Forever and always, you're my sweetest dream.